is I'll be showing you how you can submit your multiverse address and complete the verification requirement for your Dr. X to get the airdrop. So I had an issue with the other video, so I have to create another account and to show you guys this because I can't like write it down. You'll still get confused. So the first thing you need to do is not on this app. You have to come to your Apple Store or your Play Store. Go to your Apple Store or your Play Store. So once you just come, you just search for Dr. X. So once you search for it, you click on this one with the icon. Then come here and click on this Ice Labs. So click on Ice Lab, and once you click on Ice Lab, you click on all apps here. So once you click on it, now you're going to install this crypto mail. You go back, you install Confluence. That's if you don't have it, if you don't have an account with them. Then this seal send, you install it, and then you install your Sunwave too. If you don't have, you install your Sunwave. So these are the accounts you need to install and set them up. So let me wait for either of them to install. Installed, you can start opening each of them one after the other, and then you create an account on them. So it does if you don't have an account before. If you have an account, you're good to go. So you wait for the next guideline. So here they send an email. So you go to your email, check the code. Check the code from your email. And impute it. So here you need to now set your username. This is the same thing you do for all of them. You set your username. If your username is taken, you have to set it to something unique. So you set your username, and then it asks you for the name, nickname of the person that invited you. This is very important. You put my invite link here. This is it, LLAMARISS. So you put it across all the apps when it said got an invite. So you're going to get 25% bonus by using this. So you click complete. So you click complete, and then they'll ask you to join Telegram. So you can just verify and you start. So this is what you're going to do for all the other three apps. You're going to do the same thing for other three apps. So I will now show you what next to do because this is going to take long. So once you're done installing this app and setting them up, setting the registration up, and so what next you need to do is to open your Dr. X. So once you open your Dr. X, you open your Dr. X. So it asks you to verify this. Just do it as usual. So what you need to do is click on this multiverse address. So once you click on this multiverse address, it takes you to the web page. So this is how you start the verification for each and every one of them. So you come down here, scroll down and click on understand, and you click continue. So now it says sign up on Sunwave, go to profile settings, copy the verification code as below. Please read all of this thing properly. So now we'll be going on each and every of these other apps and copying their verification code to impute here. So what we're going to do is, now this is for Sunwave. So I have to go to Sunwave. So this is Sunwave. I open Sunwave, and then I go to profile, waiting for it to load. So I go to profile. This is my profile down here. So go to profile, click on settings, and then click on verification, copy code. So once I copy the code, I come back here and I paste the code in this little box here. So I now mark step as complete. Now, the second step is sign up on Confluence and do the copy the code. So I go on Confluence, I do the same thing, click on profile settings, copy verification code, and come back here and paste it. So I mark step as complete. So the next one is for seal send. So I go on seal send, I do the same thing, go to profile, copy verification code, and paste here. So I mark step as complete. Now I'll go on crypto mayors and do the same thing. So go on crypto mayors, profile, settings, copy verification code, paste here, and mark as complete. So here I'm going to click on verify and wait for it to verify. It's verification passed. So we continue. That's for the first part. So now for the second part, we'll say is for the X verification. So I have to copy this code, go to my Twitter account that's connected to my X, um to my Dr. X, and make this tweet. Then copy the URL and paste here. So I have to go on Twitter, make sure I'm using the same account. Then click here, click on posts, make the post. So I click here to get to the post that I just made, or I can just click on this place, go to my profile, click, this is the post. So for this post to actually, you can just make sure you give it a like, make it a repost, and all of these persons that are tagged here, give them a follow, give them a follow. So make sure you're following every account that is tagged here, else it may return as failed for you. So give all the accounts that are tagged there a follow. So I think I've given them all. So now to copy the link to this post, you just click on this share icon here, and then you say share via, you can now say copy, and you copy the link. So once you copy it, you come back here and you paste the link here, and you mark step as complete. So now it says follow X or follow us on X. You click here, you open on X, and you give them a follow. If you're not following them yet, you do that. So you mark step as complete. You do the same thing for Ion. You click here. This is where I'm clicking the here. Oh. This is the here. Please, you have to be reading everything before you come to my DM and start asking me where's the here. So you follow them. Make sure you're following them. Mark as complete. So for the Multiverse X, you click here to open your Twitter. Make sure that you're following them, and you mark as complete. So for the X portal, you click here to be sure you're following them, and you mark as complete. So you follow Zeus on Twitter. So make sure you're following. Then you come back as mark as complete. Then you click verify. This is one of the most taxing tax on this, because sometimes it will fail. So do exactly what I did, else it may fail, and you have only 3 attempts. So I've just prayed that it works on this one attempt. Okay. Doing the other video, yeah, the previous video I was doing, it took like up to the third trial before it worked. So all you have to do is come back to your posts on Twitter here. Come back to your post. Make sure you're following each and every of these accounts. and then copy the link to this post, come back and paste it. So you might try this up to the third time before it will work. The first video I was doing that I tried this up to the third time before it worked. So let's hope it work the second time. Okay, this worked on the second tryout. So you just copy the same link. Don't make another post. Make sure you're using that same post that you make, and don't modify it when making the post. So here you click on continue. Now there's a Telegram verification. So you give them your Telegram username. So the username I'm using for this Telegram is Pilia. And you have to be sure of the Telegram you're using. So I have to go and check and be sure. So you go to settings. Sorry, this is a Telegram X. So yeah, that's the username Pilia. So this is Pilia, and I'll mark step as complete. So join them on Telegram. I'll click here. So it's open. I'll open it. I'll follow them. Go to discourse and join the chat. So come back here, mark step as complete. Join Ion on this. I do the same thing. Follow them. Go to discourse and join the chat. So if you're using the normal Telegram, it might just be just join and you won't see this discourse. Okay, so it's still the same thing. And then for this multiverse, you I open it, I follow them, I go to discuss, I join chats. So you may not be seeing this join chat on your normal Telegram, but it's still the same thing. So you mark step as complete and then I verify. Okay, so the verification is passed. Then I click on continue. So now we need to do the coin market cap verification. So for you to do this coin market cap verification, you need to have a coin market cap account, or you can open one. So you just click on this next profile, you search coin market cap, just search for it. This is it. You just click and open the site. I have it on, I have the app, but I'm not going to be using the app, so I'll just do it on the site here. So I'll wait for it to load. Now I'm going to sign up. I already have an existing account, but I used it on my main account, doing all of this thing on my main account. So here I'm going to sign up. I'll input any password I want. Or I can just equally continue with Google. I think that would be best for me to sign up with. So select any of my email. So I'm logged in now. So that's the first thing you're supposed to do. So I'm logged in on CoinMarketCap. So go to profile settings, not necessary. Profile settings are necessary. Sorry. You choose a username, put any username, display name. You can set both of them to be the same thing. So that just says save and then back, come back to this. So now for this CMC, that's Coin Market Cap verification, they say the first step is to open Coin Market Cap from here and tap on the star icon to add ICE Open Network to your watch list. So you click on here, make sure you open it on your web. So it will redirect you to this ICE network, and once then you wait for it to load. So once it load, look at this star icon here, so you click on it, so you've added it to your watch list. Then you come back, mark the step as complete. So here it says follow Ion from CoinMarketCap, so just click here and open it on web. I'll click the follow button. Where can I find the follow button? Okay, not here. Oh, forgotten where to find this follow button. So for this eyes, where is this follow button? It's supposed to be in the community here. But I'm not really conversant with this on the web page. So even if you can't find it, if you see the follow button, you can just give them the follow. And if you can't find it, don't waste your time there. Just come back here. And then here they said give a comment, just mark step as complete. Then here they say give a comment and add a positive comment which contains XIs and SRP. So X I is in capital and SRP. So a positive comment. So we click here and we open. So once we open it, we open here, we come down here, look at community. So we click on community down here, and then we're going to make a post. And they said that it must contain XIs and it must contain SIs and it must also contain X $ SRP. So just write any positive comments. $XIs are going to the moon rocket. So I can decide I can now post this. So once I post this, I'm going to see the comments below immediately. So I click on these three dots here and then I click on copy link. So once I click on copy link, I come back here and I paste the link that I copied, paste the link here. So hope it's okay. I think the link did not copy. This is the previous Twitter link that I copied. So I have to go back, click on this, click on copy link, then come back here. Why is the link not copying? So you need to make sure that the link copied, you actually experience any disruption like I just did. You should just make a new comment instead of going to look for the old comment you made. And then you click on you post it and you click on this place and then you click on copy link. So it says here link has been copied. So I come here and I post the link. So verify the link. You see something like community/post. Then mark as this and then verify. So I wait for it to complete. So it says CFC verification complete. So I click here. So the last this is the next step and the final step. So here you need to get your eGold or Mia or what do they call it again? Errod address from either your X portal, that's your multiverse X address from either X portal or so we'll be using that of X portal. So check the link in the group or link in the bio on how to create this then you can go on your when you create your account you can go on your Play Store to download X Portal. So you just search for X Portal, and then you're going to install this particular X Portal. So set up your account, back up your phrase. So once you set it up, it's an app. So once you set it up, you now open it. So I've been using this for a long while. So I have to create a second account because I use my main account on the previous video. So here, now once it opens, you just click on receive, and when you click on receive, you select this e-gold or multiverse, either of them. You select it, then copy this address here. Use the copy icon, copy it, then you come back here, paste the address, and click on continue. So it says congratulations, you've successfully. So that's it. Very lengthy, but gets the work done. So it directs you back to your xverse, and you're going to see your wallet. So make sure that your wallet is displaying the same wallet you um posted there. Make sure that's the same wallet that is displaying. If you make any error, I'm not sure I can help. So please and please watch this video. Anything you don't understand, go back and watch it. Like, do it exactly. If you're having any difficulty like the ones that I experienced, be sure to do it over and over correctly and adhere to everything I've said there, especially when it comes to the Twitter. That Twitter verification, yours might be declined. So you have to do exactly as I say. Follow up the account, at least do it twice. It should get it done.